Today, let's learn about a common mistake, confusion of participles. A participle is a word like walking or feeling that comes from a verb but acts like a description. Now, here's the mistake: sometimes people start a sentence with a participle but forget to match it with the right person or thing doing the action. For example, look at this sentence: feeling tired, the match was postponed. Wait, who's tired? The match? That doesn't make sense. It should be a feeling tired, the players postponed the match. Now it's clear, the players are tired, not the match. Here's another wrong one: walking across the road, a bike knocked me down. That sounds like the bike was walking across the road. But bikes don't walk. The correct sentence is, walking across the road, I was knocked down by a bike. That tells us that I was walking. So remember, when you start with a participle like being tired or walking, it should always be followed by the right person or thing doing that action. Otherwise, it can sound really funny or confusing. Now let's look at some more funny and confusing sentences caused by participles. Here's the first one: running fast, the finish line was reached. It sounds like the finish line was doing the running. That's not possible. We need to fix it to running fast, she reached the finish line. That tells us clearly that she was running. Another one: looking through the window, the garden was beautiful. This sounds like the garden was doing the looking. But gardens don't look, we do. The correct way is, looking through the window, we saw the beautiful garden. Let's try a quick practice. Which of these is correct? A. Driving through the town, the houses looked old. Or driving through the town, we saw old houses? Yes. The second one is correct because we are doing the driving, not the houses. So always check, is the person doing the action the same as the participle? If not, rewrite the sentence. That's the key to using participles correctly. Let's quickly review what we've learned. A participle like being tired or walking needs to go with the right subject, the person or thing doing the action. If not, your sentence might sound silly or confusing. Now, here's your turn. Let's look at some incorrect sentences and fix them. The first one says, being very hungry, the pizza was eaten quickly. Who was hungry? The pizza? No. Let's fix it: being very hungry, we ate the pizza quickly. Much better. Here's the second: watching the movie, the lights went off. This sounds like the lights were watching the movie. The correct sentence is, while we were watching the movie, the lights went off. One more: walking to school, the rain started. Again, who was walking? The rain? No. The better sentence is, while I was walking to school, it started to rain. So always check, does the beginning of your sentence match the subject? If yes, great. If not, fix it for clarity. Keep practicing, it will soon feel easy. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.